Oh, my name is Oluwaseyi Oguntala. I'm from Nigeria. Oh well, because back in Nigeria, there are a lot of cars dirty every day, and there's not too many people that know about detailing. It's just the regular wash. So I needed to acquire some skills. I went online and I searched. Detail King was the first to come up, and here I am. It's been awesome. I'm not really a business person, but so far I've been learning a lot, and it's been really helpful. Yeah, it's been really good. All I knew before today was how to do a basic hand wash, but I've been taught how to actually do a pretty detail. Learning how to clean carpets, the vinyls, dyeing the carpets and the leather. I've never had any experience like that.